is, guys. We traded in the 2020, sold the wife's car, went crazy for a few weeks here looking for trucks, and ended up with the 450 and the 250. Both of them obviously 6.7s. 250 is a Lariat. It is super nice on the inside. It's got everything. Let me put this little rascal down. It's got everything. Everything the 2020 had. Heated seats, cooled seats, cruise control, power seats, the infotainment system. It didn't have Apple CarPlay, but that never really worked in the 2020 anyways. This truck, though, hands down, has the best. Look at that. Already got a tick. I got a tick on me, so he probably does too. But this truck, hands down, has the best sound system I've ever heard in a truck, let alone a stock truck. So you guys, it's hard to show on camera. It does blow up the speakers, but she makes some noise and it's good. Obviously, both trucks are fully deleted. Well, actually, sorry. The 250 is fully deleted. The 450 still has an EGR on it, which will be coming off. But the 450 has a 5-inch exhaust, and the 250 is a stock exhaust. But yeah, those are the trucks now. This is the wife's truck. This is going to get a tonneau cover and turn into a mom-mobile, like it already has a little bit. But it's going to be the ultimate family truck. That's what we're going to build that truck for. And then the 450 is going to be the ultimate work rig. So, as you can see, we got the 450 tinted last weekend. Got to work on the 250. Windows are down, but it basically looks like that going down the road. So, yeah, this was fun making this video. Learn how to be cinematic. Hit subscribe. Because Jace wants you to. Right, Caitlin?
Yes, he does. Right now.
Right now, hit subscribe. See y'all on the next Is he gonna cry?
He might. Maybe, yes.
Is he a 6'4" owner? They cry a lot.
He's a 7'3", they cry a lot.
Oh, they just cry because they lost. Is that custom snakeskin on the corner of this? Alligator hide? I like it. I'm just kidding. It's just ripped leather. Yeah. But it'd be funny if you put it in a post, like custom alligator skin. I follow a guy called Python Cowboy on Instagram.
Yeah.
He catches gators and pythons and stuff. And he put a picture of an alligator dick on Instagram today. He put a picture of an alligator ear. Have you ever seen an alligator ear? It's like a flap. Yeah, it's just like a flap. I don't know. It's weird.
What? What do you mean? What?
What is that?
What little fireworks?
What did you throw in here?
What are you talking about? Rat me out. Did you go and rat me out?
No.
Liar.
He was walking by.
Snitches.
Yeah. So we get some.
Stitches.
What we do?
You have to hold it now while it blows up as your punishment.
He's like, I'm gonna learn to do it. Cool, perfect. I don't even have to.
Guys.
I'm not involved in this anymore.
Guys, what is this? What is that?
Got cool.
Something like that.
This turned out pretty decent. Okay.
Decent.
The ring.
Ooh, he didn't even really jump. He acted like he liked it. That's weird.
trying to be productive.
It's a good way to get people to start working.
Interrupting my work day.